Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I have a luxury unboxing of two things that I got for my birthday. One's a bag, one's an accessory. Of course, it's sunglasses. If you guys have not caught my recent vlog for my birthday, I went to Vegas. And thank you all for wishing me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. I turned 35, so it was a really good year for me, and I'm so excited about this age and just living life and being happy. But anyways, I went to Vegas. If you haven't watched that vlog, I will put it up here somewhere so you guys can check it out. But I went to Vegas. Of course, everything that I did there, I don't gamble at all. So if you don't gamble, there's only a few things that you can do, which is pretty much shop, go to the pool, and shop some more, and just kind of relax. So that's what I went to Vegas for. I feel like I had a great time, but of course you guys know I had to buy myself something. And it wouldn't be my birthday if I didn't buy myself something luxurious and special. So if in that vlog I went shopping. I think this day I went shopping, I forget where, I was either at the Forum at Caesars or somewhere else, I don't remember. But I went into St. Laurent, didn't see anything there, but I did see something at Balenciaga. And I got myself a purchase. Bag is all beat up because I had to trek it through the freaking airport. And you know how that is with traveling, putting in the scanner, because this was coming with me on the plane. But I want to show you guys the bag that I got, unbox it pretty much. I plan on wearing it today with this outfit actually. But I want to show you guys, I wanted to show you guys it, show you how I plan to wear it, show you what fits inside. This bag, so if you're new to this channel, I have these denim shoes that are on my feet right now that I'll show you guys, but they're these from 9 West, which I'm of course obsessed with because they're everything. I think they're sold out now. If you missed it, I'm sorry you missed it, but these were great. Got these. Let me put this back on my foot. But anyways, I had this denim slide, and of course I've worn it a few times, and I've worn them with my Brandon Blackwood white cooey bag. But I was I want a denim bag to go with these shoes, and I was gonna get the Coperni bag, that's kind of a cool little oval shape, and I was gonna get that bag, and that bag cost about $600, and I was kind of on the fence because I'm somebody if I'm gonna spend money, I want to touch it, feel it, experience it, and get treated in a luxurious way. So I didn't get it. I was okay, maybe. I didn't go out to Vegas looking for a denim bag, but I kind of wanted something along those lines. So I went to Balenciaga and I saw this bag. It's called the Bistro extra small basket bag, and I'll show you guys it in a second. But of course, when Balenciaga right now, of course everything is the city bag, and everything is city boots with the strings and the studs and the grommets, and the city bag, which I'm sure you guys seen all the influencers have that bag, and it has the little pocket mirror. It gives you 2000 vintage vibes. It's super cute. So before deciding on this bag, of course I was looking at the city bag in denim. I have to consult it with my best friend. She's oh, that's super trendy. I don't know if you're gonna wear it next year. And I was okay, but I still want something denim. So I decided to get this one. So I'm gonna give you guys all the tea. But I liked it. I feel like it worked well for me and my style and what I wear. I feel like I can wear it now, of course, in the summer, and I can kind of get away with it, in the fall, until of course it becomes Brick City wintertime outside. But I love it. So let me unbox it. So let me show you guys me in the store, trying it on. I had a poll on Instagram, should I get it? Some people were half and half, but I was gonna do what I wanted anyway. So I ended up purchasing it myself. But this is the bag. It's the Bistro Balenciaga extra small basket bag. I believe when I was in the store, I forgot my sales associate's name, but she told me it comes in a smaller size, and I did see it in a patent black color and a patent white color in smaller size. But this size, I don't know, it felt small to me, where I can take it to an event, which I'm going to today, and also kind of wear it out and actually fit things, because I know I have a few mini bags that don't fit my phone, and even when I have my Brandon Blackwood, sometimes it doesn't fit your phone, and sometimes that could be annoying. So I felt this was perfect for what I wanted it for, and perfect for me to take it somewhere without looking ridiculous. Why do I have that big bag? But look at it, so perfect. It goes with my shoes perfect. So now, of course, I'm going to be wearing my shoes more because it's like a great match. Of course, I don't have to wear it with this denim shoes. The denim is like the perfect color that even if I wanted to wear white shoes or I wanted to wear, even if I wanted to wear like my Gucci denim slides, I can do that too. It's not too dark where it's just like I can't wear it with anything. In the front of the bag, oops, I was showing you guys the back, but the front of the bag, it has this Balenciaga like kind of like, what do you call this, like a patch. So of course it's meant to hold it, you know, this way, like this top handle. But what I loved about this bag more than anything was like kind of the details of the like weaving here. Like it's very, very sturdy, which I really loved about it. Very sturdy. Of course it's not flimsy at all. So it was sturdy. And then also too, my favorite part was that it did come with a strap to put it on. Where's the strap buckles? The strap buckles, I have to figure this out. Of course, I'll show you guys. She put it on the store, then I'm like, wait, how does she do that? I'll figure it out in a second, but it comes with a strap to put the, to wear crossbody. And crossbody, you would think with this type of bag, like it won't look cute crossbody, but it actually really, really does. I think probably most of the time for myself that I'm gonna wear it like this, just because I feel like it looks better that way. I don't know, it's cuter that way. And opening it inside, it has a Balenciaga kind of pouch here where you could put like cards and things like that in here. But also too, it's like pretty much like a basket bag where it has a limited open space. I'm going to show you guys what I can fit inside, but pretty much everything that I would carry with me can fit inside. I even think I tried to put like my camera, you know, like the stick for when you're like recording in there, and it does fit inside. But of course this bag is kind of heavy on its own, so of course the more you pack in there, the heavier it's gonna be. But I just fell in love with it. I haven't seen anybody with it, and I thought it was super cute. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I'll show you what it looks like on me here. What fits inside, I'm gonna show you what fits inside, but pretty much it's so big inside, and so it's not compartmentalized where you can't fit what you want inside. So it's like perfect. This was a gift for myself. I'm so excited about it. She's so cute. Isn't like she like me? Like if you watch the channel, me, denim bag. So cute. I can't wait to wear it. I love it so much. I believe it retails for like $11.50. The tax in Vegas was a lot cheaper, so I was like, if I'm gonna get this bag, I'm gonna get it in Las Vegas besides getting it in New York or, you know, California, and then the tax be super high. And I love it, and I'm so excited about it. So it was either this or the city bag, and I feel like this was, it just favored me more, and I loved it. And I feel like I could just wear it with a bunch of things. So excited about this. Of course I went into Gucci. You know, Gucci is one of my favorite luxury brands. I didn't get a bag or anything like that, just because once I got this, you know, I was on a budget. So once I got this, I was kind of done for the day. Like, and everything else I got were like little things from Zara, of course, and H&M. But like this was like the big purchase for me for my birthday. But I did go into Gucci, and I didn't see anything. I already had like the slides, everything I really wanted. I already got a bag, the Ophelia bag. So I was like, oh, you know what? Let me get a pair of glasses. So I didn't plan to get these glasses, but when I saw them and I put them on, I was like, oh my God, these are so cute, like so cute. And I wasn't like, the sales associate, she was like, oh, you want to get them? I'm like, no. But of course, when I was walking around the mall, I was like, okay, I'm gonna come back. I want these glasses. So, you know, I got my little Gucci bag. But when I tell you like the experience, like shopping in Vegas, all the associates, I mean, which is expecting in luxury retail, were so nice, so helpful. And it was just like a really great experience. Like if I go back to Vegas, it just made me feel like, you know, I just had, I'm like, oh yeah, I'll take those, I'll take those. But you know, you gotta live it, want it, believe it, manifest it. So I got these glasses. I don't know what they're called. Of course, I'll link them down below. But looking at them, they have like that really light yellow lens, but the yellow lens is so light that I feel like you can wear them inside without looking ridiculous. Like I have my Bottega, like, you know, the black ones, and of course when you walk inside, it's like, okay, take them off your face or you're gonna trip and fall. These are not like that. You can kind of wear them inside, outside. You still have the UV protection, but outside of the lens is kind of like this cute like bamboo, and it says Gucci on the side. And like, let's look at these on. Like, can you tell me these are not cute? Like I had to get these. Like I had to. Like I had to. Take a moment. Look at the sides. They're just so retro. They're so cool. They're so light. I find that even with all my glasses that I've showed you guys, the ones that I gravitate for are ones like this that I can kind of just wear out and about and don't have to worry about like off and on, because you know, then your makeup gets all over the place. But these are so cute. I'm gonna link them down below. I love the bag. I'll show you guys right now what fits inside, but pretty much everything fits inside. So that's what I got for my birthday. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And right now I'll show you guys what fits inside the bag. So I'm going to show you guys what fits inside the Bistro Balenciaga basket bag. This is the extra small size. As you can see, it's pretty standard and like pretty big and baskety inside. So it has a lot of open space where you can pretty much fit whatever you want to. I'm typically going to put what I would have in this bag. Of course, more can fit, but I'm going to show you what I would typically carry in here on a day-to-day basis. So first thing, I guess, would be my phone. So my phone can fit in here. I'll be my card holder, a little Eucerin lotion, sanitizer, my AirPods, which I would carry, and then like extra pair of sunglasses. And I still have all of this room. So of course more can fit, but this is what I typically would carry. So obviously a lot of open space, still really cute and compact and perfect. So that is everything that fits in my Balenciaga Bistro bag. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'm so excited about it, guys. Like, I'm out the door with this. I'm out the door. But subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.